So picture this. You're in your classroom. You've been working on your multiplication facts with your students for about 3 weeks now. And Susie is still struggling with her times tables, with the 3s and the 5s. And so you do a little pull out with her. You spend a little extra time with her, working through some problems, using the times tables list, just kind of encouraging her, getting her to feel better about it, right? So lovely day, everything's going well. She leaves the classroom feeling much better about everything. And next day, come in and you're like, you know what? Susie had a great day yesterday with all of that work that we did together. I'm gonna make sure I call on her, give her a little boost of confidence, right? So math time starts. You're talking about the times tables, you're reviewing some different items, you get to the 3 times 5 question and you call on Susie and she says very confidently, 3 times 5 is 12. And you think to yourself, let's give her another chance. Be like, oh, Susie, that's close, but not exactly. But remember, we did all that stuff yesterday. You did awesome. I know you got this. Let's try one more time. And so she looks around a little bit. People are kind of fidgeting in their seats. She's like, 3 times 5 is 18. It's 18. And you're like, oh, Susie, you're so close. You were dancing all around. You were right there. Now, other students are raising their hands. They want to tell you the answer. So you call on Joe and you're like, Joe, help Susie out. What's 3 times 5? And he says, 15. Duh. There was a missed opportunity. You, as a teacher, had a chance to use the tools to help Susie be successful in her math activity. If you had taken another moment and said, you know what, Susie, I know you got this. You remember those times tables lists we were looking at yesterday? Why don't you pull them out real quick and find the answer for 3 times 5? And we're going to wait. We're going to be happy about it. We're going to let all the other kids fidget in their seats. Maybe they're going to pull out their times tables list just in case. You call on them next for something else like 8 times 7, which is a little bit harder. But you're going to make sure that Susie uses her times tables list, right? She's going to find the answer of 3 times 5. And now she's going to say, oh, I found it. 3 times 5 is 15. So silly, And you're going to be like, that's awesome, Susie. That's great. Let's go ahead and keep that list with us while we do the rest of these items. So just in case you need to refer to it, you have it there. That is how you build fluency with math, especially for a student who has dyscalculia, the math learning disability, and especially for students who are just low achievers and need that extra little bit. Eventually, those low achievers are not going to need it. They're going to be like Joe over there who can memorize them like his mom did 50 years ago. But that's not Susie. And you as a teacher, you want to help them all. I know you do. So let's use those tools. Let's use them in the right place. Let's get those strategies going. Let's make math fluent with strategies and the proper tools at the proper time.